First you pivot, then you repivot. Hi, Rick Jones here with today's Tuesday 2-minute tip. I love to cook, and I found it fascinating how many people took advantage of the pandemic while sequestered at home to start baking or making exotic meals or complex dishes, or even learning to cook new ethnic cuisines. We had shortages of yeast. We had shortages of certain spices. We ran out of fresh vegetables. All during that time, we made things like moles. We fried everything we could, and we even started making homemade desserts again. It was an interesting pivot. But most people have now gotten tired of this routine and are longing for a return to simplicity, which has led to the repivot. I read a lot of magazines, and this month's version of Bon Appetit is all about this repivot with simple recipes with a very few ingredients and speed in putting them all together. We pivoted our business, but now we've started looking at how we will repivot. We started looking at big things anchored by big ideas that we thought might work. But now we're looking at simpler ideas and fewer things that might actually will work. I know you all pivoted. Is it time for a repivot? And that's your Tuesday tip.